Hi bakers, it is Emma from The Big Bakes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a giant cookie, often known as a Millie's cookie. For ingredients, you will need plain flour with a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of salt. Make sure it's baking soda, not powder. I'm using 2 eggs, vanilla, unsalted butter. Today I'm using milk chocolate for my chips. You can use white, dark, whatever you fancy. And for the sugars, I am using granulated sugar and light brown sugar. To bake your cookie dough, you need to add your butter to your sugars weighed out into your bowl. And you want to beat that for a good couple of minutes, just until it's nice and light. So your mixture should look something like that, just gone lighter in colour slightly. And you want to add your eggs. So you do that one at a time on a low speed. Once the eggs are fully combined into your mix, you want to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And give that a quick mix. And then you want to go ahead and add your flour, baking soda and salt. You just want to give that a slow mix. Now you want to go ahead and add your chocolate chips. And then, as I'm sure you can see on my attachment, you've got a lovely cookie dough. Now you want to cling film your dough. So I'm going to be making this into 2 separate balls because I've made quite a bit of dough. And then you've got your 2 balls of cookie dough and you want to chill those for a couple of hours and come back and we can cook them off. Okay, so now our cookie dough has cooled. And then you want to weigh out with clean hands, of course. 400 grams of cookie dough. Just want to roll it into a ball, like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you want to pop it right in the centre of your large baking tray with parchment. You want to very gently squeeze it down just a bit. So it's almost like a puck shape, large puck shape instead of a circle. To decorate your cookie, you will need a piping bag like so, and you want to fold it over, ready to fill. And I will be using chocolate buttercream to top my cookie. You can use a ganache or melted chocolate, writing icing, royal icing, whatever you would like. So you want to fill into your bag and lift over like so, leaving the top clear of any buttercream, so you can just push it down and it comes through the top. So I'm going to do a design on here. Then I'm going to be using another piping bag with a small nozzle, just so I can do some writing. With love from The Big Birmingham Bake and The Big London Bake.